Time to go. On the move. Heading outside. Gonna get our bolt. Then head over to Kaunas Airport. It's getting late in the day. Need to get there nice and early. A couple of hours before. So within good time now. Gotta check these little scooters you can hire. Seen these around the place. Wouldn't mind trying one of those out. Pretty neat. Right, just gonna wait for our Volt. Is it Volt or Bolt?
Bolt.
Bolt. Is Volt the food?
Yes.
Okay. Whoa, well. There it is. That's our building. With our Airbnb, top left. And it's been pretty good. What did you think of our Airbnb overall?
It was very good. I liked it.
Yeah, I would stay there again, although the only downer is going up 5 flights of stairs. Apart from that. Pretty good. Right, our Lexus has arrived. Let's jump in. Alright, just got dropped off by our Bolt driver, Kaunas Airport. There it is. It's quite a small airport. There's not a lot inside. There's a nice restaurant actually inside. Decent food. There's not a lot inside. Once you've gone through, pretty much stuck there for a couple of hours or however long you go through for. But yeah, we've had a bit of a whistle stop tour. Kind of said 48 hours. It's probably more like 36 hours. We've had 2 nights in Kaunas, sort of 3 days in our Airbnb, and it's been good. I've really enjoyed it. Been a bit of a whistle stop tour, as always with these things, but we've had the bank holiday. We've got the bank holiday coming up, so we can relax for a couple of days now, Sunday, Monday, once we get back home. But yeah, it's been pretty good. You've got to take these opportunities when you have a couple of spare days. Get away somewhere, have a nice little flight, and get away to a nice different city. We've been so lucky with the weather. Said last week was it was pouring down last week, and also said it's going to be cold and rainy next week. So yeah, but we've just struck lucky this week. It's been like 25 to 27 degrees and like just blue skies, sun. So yeah, be able to sit outside, have coffee, eat outside. Been very nice. So today we've had a busy one again today. We've went out for breakfast, which I filmed, which was really good. And then we got to the War Museum. So we've been around the War Museum, which was great, very interesting. And then also we went to the art gallery and went around the art gallery. So yeah, we've done quite a bit of walking, quite a bit of looking round, and then it did just throw a shower at the end of today. So yeah, we headed back and chilled out for an hour before packing everything up and getting on our way. But yeah, it's been really good. Can't wait to come back. It's really given me a new kind of perspective on Lithuania, because I've been here quite a few times. I've only ever been here either at Christmas or January, and it's cold. It's flipping Baltic in January in the Baltics, funnily enough. So yeah, different perspective, seen it in a different light. I'd really like to get to Vilnius in the summer and spend a good few days or a week in Vilnius in the summer and see what the lifestyle is like there. I'd like to check that out. Be really interesting. And I've been to Vilnius, but again I've been in the winter, and I haven't yet been to Klaipėda by the sea, the city on the coast of Lithuania. I'd also like to get to and check out that area as well. So yeah, right, I think our flight beckons, so making our way to the door of the airport in Kaunas, and yeah, let's get on our way back to Liverpool, back to Blighty. Right, we're in the airport now, and our flight's been delayed by an hour and a half, so we've got time to kill. So just going back to check the Airbnb, just message the guy to say thank you very much, we really enjoyed it. And I said in the video, I think it was about 100 quid a night. It wasn't anything like that. What was I thinking? It was, actually, we just checked now, and it was £67 per night. So actually really good value. I thought, oh, it's okay value, but actually that's brilliant value. And we got you get a longer stay discount if you stay for, like, I think 3 days, over 3 days. We only stayed 2 nights, but we can get a long one if you stay for 3 nights. So £67 at this time of year, and this is April, so you're getting into season now, and it's Easter, it's obviously a holiday too. So I think that's really good value for what it was. Very good quality, very clean. So yeah, just wanted to give that update. So if anybody, I'll put the link to the Airbnb in the description if anybody fancies it. We're not on commission, it's not a sponsored video, just to clear that up. But if you, yeah, I wish. So if you like the Airbnb, yeah, check the link, and it's great value. So yeah, just wanted to give an update as we've got plenty of time to kill in the airport. Just having a Pepsi, and yeah, kill a bit of time until our flight. Right. It's fairly empty now in this airport, and the current time is 12:41 in the morning, and our plane has been delayed for over 2 hours now, right? How long has it been delayed for?
I don't know, an hour and a half.
An hour and a half. So it's quite late, and yeah, it's about to board. And if you look down here, you can see the last remnants of people, last few people wandering around, and then we'll make our way downstairs now and try and get on the plane. Yeah, right, let's go. Oh, there's a bit of a queue to the plane, look. See? Alright, downstairs. I think we're front boarding, are we? Alright. We're on the apron. We're on the apron. Finally. There she is. RYANAIR.
RYANAIR darling.
E1EST. Or is it EIEST? Hello.
Unfortunately, this aircraft was held up on its previous flights from Ireland and summer. Probably not.
We're finally on. A couple of hours late. Hopefully soon we'll get on our way. This thing on. Smallest room in the house catch up. So with about probably still an hour left of the flight. Very quiet, quite smooth flight so far, which is great. Oh, of course, this flight was delayed like a couple of hours, so everyone's really tired. Most people on here are fast asleep. The captain's just told us that out of my side of the plane, if you look out of the window, you can see something bright, and I was like, what? I looked out, and it looked like the aurora borealis. Like you can just see like a really long like trail of light. It's mostly white and a bit sort of cloudy coloured, but also you can see like a tinge of green in there too. I might be imagining that. It's been a long night, but yeah, so that's interesting. Right, landing in about an hour, and then we'll catch up when we're back in Liverpool. All right. Right guys, we made it back. We're in the greatest country in the world, Blighty. And it's 20 to 3 in the morning. Yep, 20 to 3. And we set off for the airport at, what, 8:30? Actually, it's 20 to 5 in Lithuania. So, yeah, it's been a long one. So, did we enjoy it? Yes. Would we do it again? Yes. Would we book a late flight again? Probably not. Right, let's try and find the car and make our way back home. Signing off.